Welcome friends. Short questions and answers. Respiratory system. Part 1. What is normal respiratory rate? Adult having 14 to 18 respiratory rate per minute. Write any two non-respiratory functions of lung. Though they have asked two, I am listing more. Number 1, defense mechanism. Filtration of the dust particle, secretion of immunoglobulin A, and alveolar macrophage. Second, acid base balance. Third, metabolic function like secretion of surfactant and production of angiotensin 2, because the blood vessel having a angiotensin converting enzyme. Fourth, pulmonary circulation, filtration of minor clouds, air bubbles, and also act as a route of drug administration. Example, in emergency, when we want to deliver drug by respiratory route in case of bronchial asthma. Fifth, respiratory muscle are helpful in the singing, laughing, speaking. Temperature regulation, water excretion, and panting, but this function is more important in lower animals. Seventh, smell receptor are present in the nose, which is part of respiratory system. So olfaction, very important function. Eighth, it assists defecation and parturition, and thus help in normal delivery or labor. Ninth, it helps lymphatic flow, because the movement of the lung during inspiration and expiration, it helps to move lymphatic flow. Explain normal and quiet expiration is passive process. Tidal expiration occur due to reason number 1, elastic recoil of lung and chest wall, no muscle involvement. Recoil of elastic fiber, that is stretch due to inspiration. Second, surface tension, which is the intrapleural fluid. So elastic recoil of lung and chest wall is first reason. Second, because relaxation of diaphragm. Dome of the diaphragm moves upward. These two together do quiet expiration, which is passive process normally. Explain increase 2,3 DPG reduces affinity for oxygen with hemoglobin. 2,3 DPG compete with the oxygen for binding site, that is terminal amino group of beta chain in hemoglobin, and this 2,3 DPG has more affinity for the site than oxygen. So oxygen is unloaded from hemoglobin and reduces affinity for oxygen with hemoglobin. So when there is increase in the 2,3-DPG, it reduces affinity for oxygen with hemoglobin. Enumerate muscle of respiration. So we have to mention muscle of inspiration as well as muscle of expiration, both in normal as well as forceful condition. Muscle of normal inspiration, main muscle is diaphragm, which is responsible for 70 to 80% of tidal inspiration. Next is external intercostal muscle, which contribute 15 to 20% of tidal inspiration. Forceful inspiration, there are so many muscles: scalenus, sternocleidomastoid, serratus anterior, LNSE, and pectoralis minor. So 3S: scalene, sternocleidomastoid, and serratus anterior. Now, normal or quiet expiration is passive process due to elastic recoil of lung, not required any help of muscle. It is passive process, but yes, forceful expiration due to certain muscle, that is internal intercostal muscle, abdominal recti, internal oblique transverse abdominis, and platysma. This all muscle help in forceful expiration. Define surface tension. It is unequal attraction of air and water at alveolar wall, called surface tension. So it is unequal attraction of air and water interface at alveolar wall. Normal value 50 dyne per centimeter square. Composition of surfactant. Main constitute is the lipid, that is 90%, and main surfactant is dipalmidoyl, phosphatidyl choline, that is DPCC, and here dipalmidoyl is lecithin. Other lipids: phosphatidyl glycerol, phospholipid, neutral fat or neutral lipid. Protein is only 10%, that is apoprotein, albumin, immunoglobulin A, surfactant protein A, B, C, and D. Carbohydrate 1 to 2%. Calcium. Explain lack of surfactant in lung alveoli can produce collapse of lung alveoli. Surfactant reduces surface tension and thus reduce tendency of lung to recoil and thus prevent collapse of lung. In the absence of surfactant, because of high surface tension, alveoli get collapsed easily. Explain surfactant is important at the time of birth in newborn babies. Surfactant causes number one, increase pulmonary compliance, decrease work of inflating lung. This function is very important, particularly at the time of birth. Second, it reduces lung tendency to recoil and prevent alveolar collapse. So these are the probable functions, very important at the time of the birth. Explain, preterm baby often dies due to respiratory distress syndrome. This question may be asked like, explain lack of surfactant in lung alveoli can produce collapse of lung alveoli. Surfactant reduce surface tension and prevent lung collapse. Its synthesis start at 34 week of intrauterine life and 90% get completed approximately at 37 to 38 week. Preterm baby means baby born before 37 week of gestation period, having less number of surfactant, and if this surfactant is absent or low, in both the condition lung get collapse and it's difficult to survive the neonate without positive end expiratory pressure, simply ventilator. So neonate must require ventilatory support, and if this facility is not available, many times preterm baby died due to respiratory distress. Define cyanosis. Explain skin become bluish in cyanosis. Cyanosis is bluish discoloration of skin or blueness of skin and mucous membrane due to excess reduced hemoglobin. When reduced hemoglobin concentration is more than 5 gram percentage in skin, blood vessels, especially in the capillary, reduced hemoglobin, particularly when concentration is more than 5 gram percentage, has dark blue color or purple color that is transmitted through the skin. So it looks like bluish color. That is because of reduced hemoglobin concentration more than 5 gram percentage, and that is important sign, that is cyanosis. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.